Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you all know, in the previous video we have completed our chapter number 3rd. Today we will discuss the rapid fire round of chapter 3rd. So the first question is 12.45 minus 2.25. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, decimal remain on the same place, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 and 1 is as it is, and this is equal to 10.2 and the answer is C option. So look at the second question now. To convert meter into kilometer, V dash by 1000. In this question we have to tell that we have to divide by 1000 or multiply or subtract or add. As you know, meter is smaller unit and kilometer is larger. Meter is smaller, kilometer is larger. And we know that when we have to convert a smaller unit into larger unit, then we have to divide. Okay, what we have to do? We have to do the division. So the option number D is correct. Now come on the question number 3rd. What should be added to 61.78 to make it 100? In this question we have to find a number that we add in 61.78 and the result will become 100. So 61.78 plus required number may be x and the result is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 minus 61.78. So here we have to subtract this number from 100 to get our answer. So 100.0061.78. Okay. After subtracting, this will become 2, 2, 8 and 3. So the answer is 38.22 and that is your first option A correct. Okay. Now look at the question number 4th. Sum of 5 kg 67 gram and 1893 gram in kilogram is equal to. We have given kg and g, you can say kilogram and gram. This is 5 and this is 67. Now the next number is 1893 gram. Firstly we will convert this number into gram and kilogram. So this is equal to 1 kilogram and 893 gram, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So in place of 1000 we have write 1 kg. Okay. So the addition is equal to 893 gram. To add this we put here 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 7 plus 9, 16. 1 is carry and 8 and 7 is 15. 1 is again carry. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is equal to 7 kg 563 gram. But we have to represent the total result into kilogram. For this what we have to do? We have to put the decimal sign. So the final result is equal to 7.563 kg or you can say kilogram. Okay, and this is your option number C. Now look at the 5th question. In the 5th question we have given a number 0.00054 and multiply by 1000. Okay, in such multiplication what we have to do? We have to count the number of 0 in the second multiplicand. Here we have 0.0054 and this is multiplied by 1000. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 0. So we have to move this decimal point toward right side by 3 places. So the answer is 0.54. Okay, and that is your option number B. Now look at the question number 6th. To convert decameter to decimeter, we multiply by dash. Okay, look at this. Kilometer to hectometer, hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter, meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter, and then millimeter. Here we have to move from decameter to decimeter. So how many steps we have to move? 1 and 2. 2 step moving means we have to multiply by 10 by 10. Okay, so this is equal to 100. So the answer is B part. We have to multiply by 100. We have to multiply by 100. Okay, now look at the 7th question. In the 7th question, we have given a number 19.457 and we have to divide the number by 100. Okay, number is 19.457 and we have to divide that by 100. So in such division, we have to count the number of 0. Here we have 2 zeros, and in case of division we have to move toward the left side. Okay, so the decimal move toward the left side by 2 places and the result is equal to 0.19457, and that is the option number D. Again look at the question number 8. 0.2 multiply by 0.2 multiply by 100. As you know, in case of multiplication of decimal number, what we have to do firstly we have to remove the decimal sign. This is equal to 2 by 10 multiply by 2 by 10 multiply by 100. 100 must be cancelled by this 2 10. Okay, so 10 1 ja 10, this will become 10. Again 10 to 10 is cancelled and the final result is 2 multiply by 2 and that is 4, and also that is your option number A beta. Now look at the question number 9th. 6.087 milliliter in kiloliter. Firstly, you have to convert milliliter to kiloliter. Smaller to larger. Smaller to larger. Okay. This means beta you have to do the division. Okay. So 6.087 milliliter into kiloliter is equal to 6.087 by 10 lakh, because 1 kiloliter is equal to 10 lakh milliliter. Okay, so the final answer is equal to 0.5 times 0 and then your number 6087, because beta we have to divide by this number and this number has 60. We have to move this decimal toward the left side by 6 places. We have given only one place digit, so in the remaining 5 places we have to put the 0. Okay, but look at the options beta. No option is correct for this answer. This is your right answer according to the question. Okay, no option will be correct. Now move on the question number 10th. In the question number 10th, what you have to do? 1.25 minus 0.15 and that is divided by 0.11. So firstly we have to solve the bracket, and bracket is this. This will become 1.1. Okay, and now what we have to do? We have to divide this by 0.11. Okay, so look at the final solution. 1.10 divided by 0.11. Okay, this is equal to 110 by 100 divided by 11 by 100, and this is equal to 110 by 100. Division will become multiplication and second number will become its reciprocal. 100 to 100 got cancel and 11 tens are 110. So the final answer is equal to 10. Okay. So the option number C is correct. So this is the solution of your rapid fire round beta. I hope you will get it. If you have any problem in this rapid fire round, we will take that problem in our class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.